Hey guys, it's Al up at Electric City Harley-Davidson up here on Route 6 in Scranton. I'm going to do a walk around on a very special bike, a 1978 Dyna. Here it is, a beautiful 1978 Dyna Super Glide. The bike has been totally restored. 1200. The motor's been restored. The transmission has been restored. The paint is pristine. Even the housing for the reflectors have been sent out and re-chromed. This is a must-see. This is one special bike. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you need any information on this particular bike or any other bike we have in inventory, give me a call. The number to reach me, 570-483-0883, and just ask for Al.